computer doesn't like die when setting this up, but right.
All right, I think it is recording.
All right. In this episode of no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so we'll be showing y'all how to set up your development environment. This is for Windows just because that's what I'm using right now, but there's like instructions for like Linux and Mac OS as well if you're into that type of stuff. Okay, so here, wait. All right, so oh my God. Okay, wait. Okay, yes, I need to share my screen, right?
Yes.
Let's do that. Cool. So yes, if you just search up, I think FRC. Oh my Lord. Sorry. Okay, yes. So if you search up FRC WPI lib download. Okay, sorry, my thing is like dying halfway. Yeah, so you'll find like the WPI lib installation guide. And if you go over here, is it still sharing? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah, so you can choose your like route, like your OS. I'm gonna go and choose the Windows one just because that's what I'm on. All right. Is it at the bottom? I forget. Oh yes. And then so there's a 32-bit installer and then there's a 64-bit installer. I have a 64-bit machine, so I'll go ahead and download the 64-bit one. And then it should be installing in my file explorer. I'll go ahead and bring that up.
That's right, folks. It's a whole gigabyte.
Oh shoot, yeah, you're right. Yeah, so it's still installing, I guess. Yeah. And now we just awkwardly wait and watch it install. All right, it's almost done. A couple more seconds. All right, and then if we go ahead and navigate to it, so yeah, you'll see a zip file called WPI lib installer Windows 64. Click on this, go ahead and extract it. There we go. It's extracting. All right, and then in this folder, go and close that. Yeah, so this is still in my downloads. It's just the folder itself. You'll see like this exe file. Just double click on it. There we go. Run anyway. Okay. So you can choose if you want to install for all users or just a current user. I only have one user on this. I'm just gonna. It doesn't really matter for me. And then you should get like a prompt or whatever telling you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Just say yes. There we go. And so this will be like this is like what the installation application looks like. So I believe I already have VS Code installed on here. Oh my God. My computer's like dying. Okay, yeah, there we go. So just press select / download VS Code. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Is this like dying? Is this dying for anyone else?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? Wait, it just killed my display. You know what? It's fine.
Oh, wow. Oh, there it is. Installation guide.
Yeah, okay, wait.
All right,
Yes.
well, we're back after Samrat's laptop died. So resuming the recording.
Yeah, it's still dying. I mean, okay, it's inconvenient doing downloads when screen sharing. Okay, wait, why? Oh, thank you. Wait. Okay, anyways, so you can select whether you want to download VS Code. If you don't have VS Code already installed, then you'll want to download it. Else you want to select like an existing download. And okay, it's not letting me. I don't know why. It's like just frozen. Here, wait, can you pause the recording? Let me know when you start if you are. I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, so you can select or download VS Code. If you don't have VS Code already downloaded, then you'll want to press the download button when you press this. So if you look here, yeah, so you can download, but I already have VS Code actually, so I don't need to do that. I can select an existing download, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and get the actual path to my VS Code exe file. Okay, that did not work. Wait, one sec. I am um okay. Okay, wait, I did not mean to run the exe file either. Wait, I am bad at computers. Bear with me. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I got the path for it, and then this is my actual VS Code application. So I'll just go ahead and open that. All right. Usually you wouldn't get this. I did. Don't ask why. Let's go ahead and continue though. Did that work? I don't know if that worked. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, you can execute the installation after you do that, and then you wait, I guess, a couple of hours. Cool. And then you should get this like finished message or whatever. And so you should have these two icons. So yeah, you have a shuffleboard and you have a smart dashboard. I don't know if the VS Code actually worked. I don't think it might. I think I might have just screwed it up or something. Um, we can go ahead and check though. So if you do Control Shift P and then you should do new pro. Do you remember what the command was, Anand?
So here, you don't have it installed. So go back to
Yeah.
go back to Firefox, and specifically search up VS Code FRC. Yep, I think it's that first one. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll back up. I remember how to install it. I just don't know where to get that from.
I think it
Go
was on
back.
GitHub actually.
Yeah, it was on GitHub. Go back, like previous tab. Yes, that one.
That was
Yes,
a no.
okay. Yeah, and then
Windows decided to block my download for a little while. That's great.
that's fine.
You want to press more info and then
I
press,
got it eventually.
Scroll up, scroll up. It's that WSIX file.
And it decides to block this as well.
This one?
Yes.
That's a V, by the way, not.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, cool.
All right. So now you need to go into VS Code. Go into VS Code. All right. Go to File. You want to do, actually, sorry, go to extensions on the left. So you know that left toolbar?
Yes.
Yep. And then press the 3 dots. And then you want to say install from
these. Yeah. And then downloads, get your VS Code file. All right. Yeah, and boom, you have it. And then I think if you do Control-Shift-P, new. Yes. So yeah. If you search up like new project, there will be something called WPI lib, create a new project. If you click on that, this stuff will come up. And then you can just select like a new project folder. I'll just go and put this on my desktop so I can delete it later. Can I just create a folder? All right, time to create a folder real quick. Oh, I don't think, oh yeah, here you can do that. Okay, I just said hello world. I guess that works. I don't really care actually. Right, and then project name, I don't really know, Radicubs. And then our team number, which is 7503. And then did we use templates? I think we might have used a template, right?
yes, template.
Java, timed robot.
So just to recap on the previous thing, it asks us to pick between Java and CPP, which stands for C++. We're going to be using Java, so click that unless something changes in the future. Yeah, here is where you get a little bit of freedom. In the past, we've gone with timed robot. It'll depend this year what we decide to go with because there's been some changes to WPI lib. But here you would normally just choose one. So
yeah, so let's just go ahead with time. Let's use timed robot. And then yeah, so once you have all your like info or whatever here, you can just generate the project. And then yeah, let's go and open it. And bam, so yeah, you should have everything here. Yeah, so you have your src folder, where you have like your main, and then robot.java, and then you can just create more files from here. You have your Gradle files, you have your git ignore, and then yeah, like everything you need. And so yeah, that's essentially how you install the development environment to program your robot.